Welcome everyone to a brand new video of our YOLO trip. I will be showing you what we did in Meteora, Greece. Meteora is famous for its monasteries up on very tall plateaus. It is also known for its spectacular viewpoints. We spent a few days just chilling by these viewpoints in the calm area.
So YOLO's right over there, and over here's the view area. The sun is on the other side, but yeah. We're near a monastery in Greece. Sorry for the wind. So yeah, we're in a monastery by Greece. I'm not exactly sure of the name, but I'll show it to you guys. So yeah, we're just looking at the view and waiting for the sunset, and just watch the sunset from here in the amazing viewpoint.
The next morning, we started to make our way down the mountain. It was a very long and windy road with a wonderful view. We eventually got our scooters out to have a more exciting way of traveling down those roads.
We are in Meteora in Greece, which is a bunch of monasteries that are like built on top of cliffs. It's like a mountainous area around it, so we're getting our scooters out and we're gonna scooter down the road. We're gonna scooter down this road. We're gonna go scooter down the mountain now.
My mom drove YOLO ahead of us so we can see how fast or what there was ahead, sort of like protecting us. I really enjoyed the breeze as we blew through the roads. This area is really hot, so I really needed it.
How you guys doing?
Good.
How's it going? Where did we come from?
There, the monastery.
Way up there?
All the way around that way.
How's it, Max?
Good.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're done?
What? We're done?
Or you want to do more? Are you scared? You're scared.
More.
You must be scared. You're a boy. Okay, let's do it. Continue.
My scooter brakes are hot.
And that's why in cartoons the wheels are flaming.
Yeah.
What if our brakes melt?
No, it's gonna melt your wheel.
This was only halfway, so we got to continue on.
Where did you go?
From very far away to here.
Down the road?
Yeah.
All right, pack it up.
We packed up our scooters so we can continue driving down the road. I really enjoyed this experience and it will be one of my favorite memories. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing on your way out and checking more of our fun videos.